Step 1. Start the VGC service. Open the Start menu and search for Services. In the Services window, scroll down or press V on your keyboard to find VGC. Double-click VGC, set the startup type to automatic, then click Apply and OK. Double-click it again and press Start if the service status isn't running yet. Step 2. Reset network settings via command prompt. Search for CMD in the Start menu. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. Type the following commands one at a time and press Enter after each. Netsch WinSock Reset. IP Protocol Configuration /flushtons. Then close the command prompt. Step 3. Update Windows and reset network. Go to Settings Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any pending ones. Next, go to Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings Network Reset. Click Reset Now, then restart your PC when prompted. Step 4. Adjust Valorant compatibility settings. Right-click on the Valorant shortcut, choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check both Disable Full Screen Optimizations and Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Final step, launch Valorant. Now try starting Valorant again, this should fix error code VAN79. Bonus tip, optimize your connection with exit lag. If nothing has worked, or you just want the smoothest gameplay and fastest connection possible, then I highly recommend trying exit lag. It can dramatically reduce lag, improve routing, and optimize your PC for gaming. Use the link in the description to get a discount and test exit lag yourself. Let me know in the comments if it helped you fix the issue or just improved your gameplay overall. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more easy fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck in Valorant.